Hey, what's up guys, it's Wolf. I am here doing an unboxing of the AZIO MKG1. It is a backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. It is a semi-budget friendly keyboard, so it sits generally around the $52 to $70 mark on Amazon. It has full NT rollover, white backlighting. I know in the video it may seem like it's blue, but just trust me, it's white. It is not running a genuine cherry mix switch. Those are a little bit more expensive to produce since they are made in Germany. There are three lighting modes. One is off, one is when you hit the key. When the key actuates, it lights up for about half a second. And the other one is full on all the time. You can adjust the brightness of this keyboard. Yeah, it has a full 10-key numpad and MIDI controls in the top right, including a volume scroll wheel and a loop. With that, let's get into the unboxing. I'll see you guys at the end.
Okay guys, so it does, you can swap the keycaps out, looks like with any cherry compatible switch, and it does feel quite nice there. It does come with a key remover, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it just kind of, once you get the positioning right, you just push down and it's reattached. So yeah, it does come with a wrist rest. So if you prefer the wrist rest, you can put it on. There are also three modes for the backlighting. There is this mode, which is off. If you hit this key right here, then you hold that down, and then these are the three backlighting options. So if you hit this one, then when you hit a key, it lights up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If you hit it again, all your lighting comes on. And as you can see, the shimmer is not extremely dark, but it still shows up quite well. If you hit this key again, you can make it dimmer, and then you can make it lighter. I don't know if you can actually see that. Also, any flickering you see like back here, it's just the camera. It's not actually real life. These keys do have quite a bit of travel. As you can see, lots of travel. So it does have volume access keys. I don't know if you can see that up there, but I am going to hit the mute button right here. Now, as you can see down there, it's muted. Now it's not. As you can see up there, if I scroll on this, there is that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, it is quite nice, the keyboard. These are not cherry switches. I can't remember exactly what they're called. I will put something up on screen right now, I'll put it right there, right where my finger is. And so you can put this on. As you can see, the back is red. It's quite a weird decision. I don't know why they did that. The back is also, this back and this wrist rest is plastic, while the plating on the actual roof side is aluminum. So yeah, and for this, there's little holes right there. This has pegs on it. I don't know if you can see them. I'll circle them on the screen. And then You just kind of position it in there, and you just shove it in, and there you go. Now your wrist rest is installed. It also does have the options to give you more clearance. There is rubber feet on there, as there is already, but this gives you about an extra inch of clearance if you're about that. So now it sits up a bit, but this is, as I said, red. It's really weird. And then this back is plastic, and these are attached to the actual back plate itself. They're embedded, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, it is pretty neat. Now here is a quick typing test.
So basically, guys, what I was trying to say here is that all the secondary functions under the number keys when you hit shift, like your exclamation point, $, and %, they don't light up because of the way the lighting is set up. So it's to be expected on a keyboard at this price point. And also, the keys above that have calculator and music keys work perfectly fine. I'm using this without any drivers whatsoever, and they were working perfectly fine for me. As you can see, calculator comes up right there. So with that, yeah.